Trader Zellman here, August 30th, 2018. It's after the market close. It's a Thursday and report on ticker symbol NNSR, providing another update. She had a great move today, closed at 0.0075. Actually, the last couple of minutes into the close, there was a huge war. You saw prices getting locked between the bid and ask from 7, looked like from 0.0071. Battled all the way up and kept locking the market quite a few times towards the end, and brought it up to 0.0074, 0.0075 at the end. Final trade prior to the close was, I believe, 0.0071, but after hours, right after, about 5 seconds after, within the time frame, it printed 0.0075 and 0.0074. A few times, about a total 160,000, 175,000 shares or so. Anyhow, 7 more days or less, she's going to explode. Okay, I said this before, I'm going to say it again. She is ready to go. This green zebra giant wants to make us free money. I'm waiting. I'm along. Good luck to individuals who are in this position. 7 days or less. Let's see what happens moving tomorrow. It also does look like a lot of stocks are in play into Labor Day week. So we'll see what happens. It looks like a lot of things want to do well coming in next week. Yeah, it seems like the cycle traders are coming back. But we'll see what happens. Anyhow, keep your eye on NNSR. Something to keep your eyes on. 7 days or less. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter, Trading Teacher. Visit my site if you want to take a live trading education course and learn the trading language, thetradingteacher.com.